If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these super plain pink Victoria's Secret slides into these lovely rhinestone embellished sparkly slides, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, today this is going to be a quick video. I'm just going to show you guys how you can spruce up your Victoria's Secret pink slides. These are some pink Victoria's Secret slides. They're very plain. I needed a black slide. I have other colors, but I just wanted something that was black that can kind of more so match other outfits and other things. So I decided to pick these up today from the mall. I don't know how much they cost. I'm assuming they were about $30. The tag came off of them. So just really quickly, gonna dive right into it. I'm gonna be using some SS16 glass rhinestones. They're holographic, they're iridescent SS16 rhinestones. Then I have some E6000 glue. That's really good to use on rubbers. If you're gonna bling out a shoe, you definitely want to use E6000. And I'm just gonna wipe them off first with some 70% alcohol. It doesn't matter what kind of alcohol you have, just give them a wipe, just in case they have some type of residue or oils, dust, or whatever. You just want to always wipe off your surfaces first. Then of course allow it to dry. I'm going to be using a wax pickup tool. I will have a link available in my description where you can purchase this if you're interested. And I'm going to go ahead and just get started. Okay, so what I can do is I can trim this with black. I do have black rhinestones, but I kind of want something that's going to show up, because you really can't see this unless you're like really in like sunlight or some light on it like now. Other than that, it just looks like a plain black slide. I don't really like plain. It really depends on what the situation is. I like a little bling and glam, if possible. I just like for my things to look different than others and sparkly and cute. So just gonna start off by adding a little bit of glue. This stuff kind of oozes out, so you gotta kind of move quickly. So I'm just gonna tap that on, give it a nice little squeeze, and I'm just gonna trace the letters that are already here on the shoe. It's pretty simple. Try not to put too much glue on the shoe. Again, this is an SS16, which is pretty much equivalent to a 4mm rhinestone. So just go ahead and watch how I add these rhinestones to the slide. Okay, so I'm just starting off just adding a little bit of glue and just following along the line of the word pink. This is like super simple. Literally, I feel like anybody can do this, even if it's your first time, you know, trying out the whole rhinestone and blinging things out, because it's like you're literally just tracing. And you just kind of hold your hand steady. And if you do have some of the rhinestones lay on a little crooked, what you do is you just straighten them out before the glue dries. So it's not like when you put the glue on and the rhinestone goes on top of it, it's not going to be like instantly locked and sealed. So you have a little bit of wiggle room there. Now looking back at this, one thing I will say, instead of using the SS16, which is a 4mm, I would definitely go with a 3mm. It would just be a better look, in my opinion. Or you can go smaller than that. It's really about the look you're going for. I think a 3mm would be a lot smaller and just a lot better, especially when I got to the letter K, and you'll see what I'm saying. And it did not take long at all to do these. I probably used about maybe 200 or 300 stones on each shoe or less. And I wore these right before I went. I made these to go on vacation. We went to Vegas. So this video is a little old. I forgot about it. And I'm just now editing it now in October. But this was like in August I did these. They were so comfortable. But one thing about these I will say, and I don't know if you guys may have had these and had that happen to you. I don't know, maybe I had a lot of Vaseline on my feet or whatever. I don't know. My feet were pitch black at the bottom from wearing these shoes. It was like so much dye. It was just so annoying. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished product. And this is a great shoe to practice on. Like if it's your first time blinging anything out, this is the project for you to do.
Look how sparkly those glass rhinestones are. I just really love the crystal glass stones. They cost a little bit more than the resin, but the quality is like super on point. Can you imagine what this looked like in the sunlight? So here's another close-up angle, and they're just blingy. They're just so cute. But like I said, they're super comfortable, but they did leave my feet looking so black. So after I wore them, I had to like really scrub my feet, or like even in the middle of the day, I'll just look down like, okay, my feet are black. Wipe them off with like an alcohol pad or something. That was my experience with these. But other than that, they were crazy comfortable, especially in Vegas. Walking down that strip, these were great, and so were my Croc slides. Anywho, I really like these. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if it did give you some cute ideas for maybe to do on your next vacation. Or I know it's not going to be snowing everywhere, so if you live like in a place where it doesn't snow and you want to pick some of these up, this is a great cute way to really glam them up and make them stand out. There's that letter K I told you guys about. It looks a little cluttered, and on each shoe I fell asleep, so the quality of the K just wasn't that good. But I know it will be a lot better. With the E6000, you want to allow it to dry at least 24 to 48 hours to let it cure. And I think these shoes ran me about $35 from Pink, just in case you're looking to get some. I bought these a while ago, like in the springtime, so I don't know if they still have them or not, but you can check. They're about $35, and I wear a size 9. If you're wondering what size these are. But thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Share it with someone on Facebook, or send it to someone who may want to do something like this, or maybe they're going on vacation, they want to have something a little sparkly and add some little razzle dazzle to it. Hello to all my subscribers. And if you are a subscriber or decide to subscribe today, make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll know exactly when I post a new video. Be sure to check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, for lip gloss, hand sanitizers, shoe charms, and more. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we have in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and more. Be sure to check out my playlist that I have filled with shoes that I've added rhinestone embellishments to, as well as glitter. Thanks again, you guys. Bye-bye.